Okay. Ano tayo? Room tour, no? Room tour, 'di ba normally sa medyo nagbawas kami for this year, no, ng biyahe sa labas ng bansa. So, sabi ko medyo ikot-ikot tayo dito sa Pilipinas. So, for now, ito yung first natin, no, dito sa Pilipinas, nasa Laia, San Juan, Batangas tayo. And this is basically parang yung room tour natin sa abroad, no? So, this is our room, no? Nandito kami sa Virgin something. So, yung labas ng aming room, which is called Deluxe King Casita. So, ayan, no? Ito yung labas. So, makikita nyo dun sa area na yun, sa tinuturo ko, basically, yun yung beach, no? As in, literally, beachfront, no? Yung aming room. So, ito yung room, yun yung beach. So, pasok tayo dito sa room. So, as usual, of course, obviously, nakapasok na kami, no? Like all the other room tours na ginagawa ko. So, this is the room, no? This is the room, this is the entrance, and yun yung kanina nakita nyo na area, no? Ng basically beach. So, from the bed, merong parang sala dyan, no? From the bed, ayan, medyo kita, no? Medyo kita yung beach. Okay? So, yun na yung beach mismo. So, of course, since this is a beach, no, medyo mas maganda-ganda ng konti, yung mga laman. So, mayroong sala, and then, of course, where the magic happens, as I always say, and andyan na yung gamit namin, syempre. May TV, which hindi naman nagagamit, and then, parang mesa, the usual, no? And, of course, yung parang office area or study area or whatever you want to call it. Side tables, nandyan, no? And meron din sila ritong water, complimentary water, I think. And meron bang kape, Labs? So, I'm not sure kung may kape. So, let's see kung mayroong kape. So, wala rito. Merong the usual na maliit na refrigerator. I'm not sure. So, walang laman yung refrigerator. But basically, kasi mamaya explain ko yung no? Basta yung room, walang kasama. Kasi meron silang breakfast, lunch, dinner na kasama sa bayad. So, yan. I'm not sure kung nandito yung kape. Let's see. So, hindi ko mabuksan using my one hand. So, dito yung parang, nandito? Cabinets. Ayan, the usual na cabinet, no? Robe nandyan, mga tsinelas nandyan, and then safety box, extra unan, hangers, etc. And then the CR, restroom, toilet, whatever you want to call it. So, ganyan, no? Basically, dalawa yung pinto. Hindi ko lang mabuksan yung isa. Anyway, ito yung CR, the sink. Yan yung sink. And then, yung mismong taihan, ihian, no? So, ayan siya. Umihi na kami dyan kanina. Okay? So, may bidet, which is very important, no? Sa abroad, kadalasan wala yan. So, yan, no? And then, merong bathtub dito na maliit. Sakto lang for Filipinos. And ito, medyo kakaiba, no? Sa kanya. Meron siyang parang shower area. No? Yung liguan niya, nandito sa labas. So, it's basically nasa labas. Yan. Ganyan. So, makikita niyo may araw pa, oh. Ayan yung shower. Ayan yung shower. So, dito yung liguan, no? So, nasa labas. So, parang nature. So, that's pretty much it for the room tour. And I hope appreciate nyo, no?